This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Gary Harwell. A beautiful all-brick walk-out basement ranch with 4 park-like acres, hardwood floors, 2 full baths, 2-car garage, and a workshop. Turn onto the private drive, round the curve, and you are home. Gorgeous grounds, raised gardens, brand new back decking, or the covered front porch, so many good choices. Where to go? Be sure to notice the custom butcher block steps and landing as you go down to explore the basement and workshop. This is no cookie-cutter home. In fact, it really takes the cake. Septic pumped and upgraded 2020. Make your plans to see it. Comes with a 1-year home warranty. Buyer to verify square footage. For more information, review the details below or contact